Sa tingin mo mahal ang 2 million na property? Before you say yes, let me ask you something. Ano ba ang makukuha mo sa 2.5 million? Hindi lang bahay ang binabayaran mo. You're paying for the land, the location, and the features that make your family's everyday life. For example, when you look at a property like Leora Homes Nike, hindi lang yung structure ng bahay ang dapat mong tinitingnan. Meron ding mga features gaya ng solar panel, rainwater collection system amenities na kasama ang swimming pools para sa adults, covered basketball court, at isang multi-purpose hall. Imagine having spaces where your kids can play, where the family can swim on weekends, where you can enjoy community events, and you don't always have to go somewhere else. So yes, 2 million sounds big when you own the number. But the better question is, how much value am I getting for that 2 million? Because when you're buying a home, don't just look at the price. Look at what you're getting in return. This is Vern, your property specialist. From Hove Team, your agent with a heart.